Okay, we're going to work on 207-6-42, the strap. This should get you to Onshape, and this right here, this link should get you to this video. So, all right, this is our part, and it's going to be this shape right here. And look, this way is drawn upside down. We're going to draw it this way right here, and our top view should go right there. And this one should have a right side view also, just to show us the height, and we're going to see a bunch of hidden lines on this one. All right, so, but the overall length is 6. There's 2 different radii there on the midpoint of that, and that thickness is 0.5, and it's too deep. Okay, so now you know where to find that in Schoology. So we'll move on. You find it in here, in whichever class you're in. Go to your classes, click on 207-6-42 strap. All right. When you're going into your class, you're looking for 207-6-42 strap. All right. Okay. Okay, once you're in your class, you got this started, it should come up. I'm going to start by going right here, click New Sketch right there, View Normal 2, and I think I'm going to go ahead and turn off my right and top right there for now. I can go ahead and turn this one off too, and I'm going to start by clicking what I want. I'm going to start here by clicking an arc. I'm going to start there and go to about here and put this in right there. I'll put another arc in here. Put that in about right there. I might not want it the way that I did it here, so alright, I'm going to do the same over here on this one. Come over here, put this up here like that. Alright, let's see, we've got a trim option. I'm going to trim that out of there and this one out of here. Next, I'm going to do a coincident constraint right here and make these two have the same center point, and I'm also going to say that I want this center point to be on my origin. Alright, now I'll put some dimensions on here that the overall length of it was, where did the dimensions go? There they are. My overall length is here to here, and that was 6 inches. My thickness was 0.5. Right there. Oh, I forgot to do this. I want to do equals constraint here and here. I want to say I want this side and this side to be equal, and I want this one and this one to be equal. Alright, and then I want to put dimensions on this one, and this diameter is, our radius is 0.125. This radius right here is 0.175. Alright, so that's it. We'll finish that sketch, and we'll extrude it. Alright, we'll click extrude. We'll make it go back the other way. I just want it to go that way, and the thickness was 2. Alright, so that's our part. We're ready to roll. Right click, create a drawing, and we can go ahead. It's a longer piece, so I'm going to do inch right there and do 3 views. Alright. So I think this time what I'll do is to start off, I'm just going to right click on here and go ahead and rename that now so I get it 207-6-42 and strap. So now I got that changed to what I want it to be. I'll start by putting on my radii here, and I'll start here with this one, and I'll put this one on next. I forgot I want to change this right here to 2 decimal places. Alright, I'm going to right click on this one, click show my hidden lines there, and I'll right click on this one and click show the hidden lines there. This didn't put in a center point, so I'm going to put a center point in here like this. Alright, I'm going to worry about my overall length that goes from here to here. That makes that 6 inches, and I'll put one on this that tells us that. The next and only dimension we have left is this one. The rest is completely fine the way it is. I'll put in a center line for that between those, and this one would be right along that bottom, so there's no need to do it over here. Alright, next I'm going to come down here, click on this, backspace over it, and we'll call it strap, and finish that one, and I'll double click my number there, and I'm going to call the number 207-6-42, and there. Okay, so let's see. That's our part. We will then we'll go up to here and click print. You should also be able to go right here, down here, right click here and click export, and it should create a PDF file of it, and we'll export that right there. So you can do it that way, and it creates this file for you this way, and it create that. So you can do it that way as long as it saves it the way you need it to, and you can put it where you want it to be. You should be good. All right, end of the drawing. Let's move on to the next one.